Alright, so guys, on today's video we are going to show you how to measure and cut a round neck and open the front of the shirt to for the sewing of the front zipper, you understand, the shirt frontal zipper, you understand. So without wasting much time, let's get it started. So now we are going to stitch a set of back 14, you understand. So now this fabric right here is what we are going to use to do the cutting, you understand. So now it's folded into two, and you can see that there is 9¼ inch. That means it is 8½ inches as the whole wide, as the wideness, right? And the length is the shirt length. Anyhow you want your shirt length, when you measure it anyhow you want it, then you do it. So now to measure a round neck of shirt back 14, this is how you're gonna do, this is how you're gonna go about it. You will first measure here, this place, from this place to this place, 2½ inches, you know, understand. You measure the width to be 2½ inches. Then you measure the length to be 2½ inches also, from this side to the down part like this, you know, understand. Then you shape it, you know, understand. You shape it just like we used to draw a round neck, you know, understand, something like this, you know, understand. So when you are cutting, then you make sure you cut it correct. You remove the round neck correct. So now this is the place that we are going to draw the shoulders. We draw the shoulders so that we can cut it, you know, understand. We will cut the shoulder to make it like this, you know, understand. So now to do it, then we will add let's see, we want the zipper opening, or the shirt front opening to be 5 inches, you understand. Let's say we want it to be 5 inches, so we mark it right here, you understand. We mark it right here, so we will mark it right here, right now. So we are going to cut the round neck. We are going to cut the round neck and to come and cut the middle of it, you understand. So please watch the way I'm doing it and you'll be able to understand it. This is Travera fabric, you understand. So it's that hard. And hear the sound, you understand. So now we have cutted this place. Now we are going to cut the shoulders, you understand. So guys, now I'm done cutting this part, you understand. So now I'm going to open it. I told you earlier that it's folded into two, right? So now if I open it, this is actually how it's looking. So now I'm going to turn it and cut the middle to make it come to where I have marked the pen right here. That is where we mark it to make it the 5 inches for the opening, right, for the opening length. So I'm gonna turn it, you understand. I'm gonna turn it to make it the way I showed you guys, you understand. So now I'm cutting where the line is being, you see this line, that's where I'm cutting to that down part, to the down place, you understand. So guys, this is exactly how it's going to be. So then you go this side, you understand. Then you go this side a little bit, you understand. So guys, this is how it's gonna be. This is actually how to cut a round neck, you understand, and open it for the front zipper to become stitched after you have done everything, you understand. So if you like this video, kindly hit the follow button, subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next video. That is the sewing of the collar, round neck, and the zipper, the frontal zipper. See you in the next videos.